How to standardize one column in Spark using StandardScaler. I am trying to standardize mean equals 0, std equals 1 column, h, in my data frame. Below is my code in Spark, Python. It seems to run just fine. And the very last line produces sample 17_scaled pyspark.sql.dataframe. But when I run the line below, it shows that the new column age_scaled is of type a vector, age_scaled, vector, nullable equals true. Sample 17_scaled.print schema. How can I calculate anything using this new column? For example, I can't calculate a mean. When I try, it says it should be a long and not UDT. Thank you very much.
Just use plain aggregation. Or if you want transformer, you can split vector into columns.